In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your card.so site. Whether you're creating a personal portfolio, a business page, or just a simple landing page, adding links is essential for guiding your visitors to further information or other parts of your content. Grab a cup of coffee and follow along as we walk through the simple steps to seamlessly integrate links into your card site. First, you'll want to go to the card website, so head over to card.so and log into your account. If you don't have an account, take a moment to set one up because it's quick and straightforward. It'll be worth it for what we'll accomplish today. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your dashboard. Your dashboard is where all your card projects are neatly displayed, allowing you to choose which one you want to work on. Once you've selected your project, open your card editor. This is the place where the magic happens, where you can edit and update your site with ease. Don't worry if you're not familiar with it, as it's designed to be user friendly. Now focus on the left hand side where you'll see a small plus icon labeled plus, representing the add element option. Click on it. This step is crucial, as it's the gateway to adding a variety of elements, including our target element for today, the link. Select the link option from the list. With the link element added, the next step is to customize it to fit your needs. Adjust the text which acts as a label for your link. This label is what your visitors will click on, so choose something descriptive like visit website or learn more. Next, we'll need to add a URL to your link. You could paste a new web address here, or if you prefer, you can set it up to scroll to another section of your card page. Both options are effective, and it depends on whether you want your link to lead visitors off-site or to another part of your existing site. Let's move on to pasting your actual link in the URL box. Ensure you're copying the full URL starting with HTTP or HTTPS to avoid any mishaps or broken links. Lastly, an optional yet critical step is to set the link color and hover color. This can be crucial for creating a cohesive and engaging design. The default colors may work, but using colors that match your site's aesthetic can provide a polished, professional look. And there you have it, you've successfully added a link to your card site. Keep practicing and experimenting with different designs and layouts. With these steps, you can enhance the interactivity and functionality of your card pages, ensuring visitors are just a click away from the information they need.